In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo here on the Echo 12 in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up the gunsmith, go to the customize tab into the camo section where you're going to see all of your zombie camo challenges. You're going to have to go ahead and complete every single one of these to work up to Infestation. Let's start with the military ones. These are going to be 1000 point blank kills with the Echo 12, and this is actually super easy to go ahead and do. Hop in a survival map and just kind of play through the rounds like normal. 90% of your kills are going to be point blank kills, which are just going to be like close range kills. If you want to do this even quicker, you can aim for the head. It's going to just increase your damage multiplier just a little bit. But honestly, just run up a train and you'll be able to get these done pretty quickly by like round 25 to 50. I did a 50 run and was able to knock out every single one of these standard camos. And that was with me not primarily using this weapon. But real quick, unless I say otherwise, we're going to play a survival map for this. Moving on to our first special camo, you have to go ahead and get 300 point blank kills. This is pretty much the exact same thing, so just do the exact same method. You need 1300 total with this weapon. From here, you got to go ahead and get Kyro freeze on this and get 300 eliminations. Now, they don't have to be Kyro freeze eliminations. You just have to go ahead and have Kyro freeze on the weapon. And then as Kyro freeze activates, just go ham. Get as many kills as possible, and you'll knock this one out extremely quickly. For the next challenge, you got to go ahead and get 10 kills without taking damage 5 times. This is just 50 kills total. And the best way to do this, because I actually did this in one train on round 40, is just literally just run in a circle. You know, train up all those zombies, keep your distance just a little bit, and spray into them consistently with this, and you'll knock it out quickly. Which allows us to move on to Golden Dragon, which is essentially just 10 kills rapidly, 15 times, 150 kills total with the Echo 12. Now, this is a shotgun, and it shoots a lot. In like burst of 2 is the best way to describe it. Getting 10 kills rapidly is unbelievably easy. It should only take you 2 rounds max in the later rounds. Just once again, run up a train, shoot into them consistently, and you'll knock this one out quick. From here, we can move on to Bloodstone, which is essentially just 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. The thing is, you do have to unlock the Golden Dragon camo on 3 shotguns before you can do this. So go ahead and get Golden Dragon on everything and then come back to this. And you're going to do the exact same method. Just train up zombies, kind of keep your distance a little bit. It's just 100 kills total, and from here, you'll knock it out extremely quickly. Honestly, all the shotgun challenges are super easy until you get to Doomsteel. Doomsteel is the only one that's a little bit more difficult, and this is the one that we don't play a survival map for. We're actually going to go ahead and get loaded into Ashes of the Damned, and what you're going to want to do is get all the way past round 16 on Ashes of the Damned. Kill that first Ursa that does spawn in, and after you do take out that first Ursa, what you're going to want to do is actually just run into the fog, because every 2 to 5 minutes after round 16 in the fog, it's going to spawn a bear in. From here, you just got to farm those bears, and as soon as you take, 9 more out, you'll have those 10 elite zombie kills done. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But after you get Doomsteel, you just have to get it on 30 other weapons. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.